Hey everyone, my name is Rajat Jain and I'm currently working as a software engineer in Microsoft. I have previously worked in Amazon and have worked with few other startups as well. I'm a full stack engineer and I have worked on different technologies of front end as well as back end. I'm also a fundamental cloud certified engineer. In today's competitive world, it becomes really tough to get a high paying job in the tech sector. If you want to belong among the top 1% developers, then projects are a key part of your interview process. Typical projects are website clones, but to stand out, I really believe that the DSA projects that NewtonEdge help you create will give you an extra edge on your profile for the recruiter. You will be writing algorithms to create projects like Amazon like cards, Google inspired search engines, and even flight booking apps. Apart from this, you will also learn system design, generative AI, which will act like your superpowers to build a tech career. So register for NewtonEdge eligibility and scholarship test today and be part of top 1% of the developers with NewtonEdge.